Now let us learn how to represent the rational numbers into decimal form. For example, convert 3 by 5, which is a rational number, into decimal form. Here we have two methods. One is division method and another one is making the denominator into base 10. So first let us take 3 divided by 5, which is nothing but you have to divide this 3 by 5 in usual division. Now 3 zeros are 0. So 3. Here we can't divide this, so take a decimal so that you can take 0 here, and 5 are 30. Here you got 0. Therefore your 3 by 5 is equal to 0.6. Here we got the remainder 0. Therefore your rational number 3 by 5 is a terminating, that is, it is stopping, the division is stopping. Therefore your 3 by 5 is a terminating decimal form. Terminating means the division is stopping. Terminating rational number. Terminating rational number. Okay. Now similarly, let us go to learn the second method. Second method is nothing but we have to make the denominator into base 10. Okay. So 3 divided by 5. Here, in order to make this denominator 5 as 10, we need to multiply this numerator and denominator by 2. This is nothing but equivalent fraction. Now 3 2s are 6 and 5 2s are 10. Here already we have learnt in our earlier classes, 6 by 10 is nothing but 0.6. So this is a conversion of decimal rational number into decimal form. Therefore we can say that 3 by 5 is a terminating rational number. Okay. Let us consider one more example. Convert 3 by 7 into decimal form. Convert 3 by 7 into decimal form. Now, given rational number is 3 by 7. Here we have to divide this 3 by 7. 7 zeros are 0. Take 3 down. Take decimal and 30. 7 fours are 28. Here you will get 2. And because you have decimal, you can take 0 here. And 2s are 14. After subtraction, you will get 60. Again, 7 8s are 56 minus 4 0. Next 7 5s are 35. So like this the process of division is continuing. That means it is not stopping. So here this goes on. This is called a non-terminating recurring decimal. Okay, non-terminating, non-recurring. Okay. Therefore, your 3 by 7 is non-terminating. Non-terminating means it is not stopping. The division is not stopping. Non-terminating, non-recurring. Non-recurring means here the same digit is not coming in the quotient. 4, 2, 8, 5. Like this, we are getting different digits. So here 3 by 7 is a non-terminating, non-recurring decimal form. Now let us learn how to convert a decimal form into rational form. Here we have two types of decimal numbers, that are terminating decimal form and non-terminating decimal form. Now let us consider terminating decimal form into rational form. Consider the example 15.75. Now how to convert this 15.75 into rational number? Here after decimal we have two digits. That means we have two decimal digits. Because we have two decimal digits, we have to multiply and divide by 100. So 15.75 into 100 by 100 is equal to 1575 divided by 100. Now both are multiples of 5. Now just simplify that. 5 20s are 100 and 5 3s are 5 1s are 5 5s are. You got 315 divided by 20. Again these two are the multiples of 5. Again take 5 4s are 5 6s are 5 3s are. You got 63 by 4. That means the decimal number is converted into rational number. This is a terminating decimal number. Okay. Therefore, your 15.75 is equal to 63 by 4. Now let us know how the non-terminating recurring decimals are converted into rational form. Okay, let us take few examples. Let x is equal to 0.54. This is nothing but non-terminating recurring decimal. This is written as x is equal to 0.545454 and it is repeating like that. And let us consider this as equation 1. Here the periodicity is 2. Periodicity is 2. Therefore, multiply both sides of equation 1 by 100. Okay. Therefore, your 100 into x is equal to 54.54, so on. This is equation 2. Now we have to subtract equation 1 from equation 2. Subtract equation 1 from equation 2. Therefore, 100x is equal to 54.545454, so on. X is equal to 0.545454, so on. Now after subtraction you will get 100 minus 1x is 99x, which is equal to 54. 5 minus 5 0, 4 minus 4 0, like that you will get 99x is equal to 100. 54. Now x is equal to 54 by 99. Therefore, your 0.54 bar is equal to 54 by 99.